This is exactly how I made $4 yesterday trading Forex, just 16, and let's get into it. So firstly, what I was doing is I was checking if there was any news on Forex Factory. There was not. So I was trading both pairs, GJ and AJ, and the trade was on AJ. And checking the 4 hour, we were bullish on both pairs, and daily was, we just closed bullish on the daily yesterday, but we were actually bearish on GJ, and same here, we hadn't broken above this high, so we were still bearish, and we were actually in this fair value gap yesterday. This was yesterday's candle. You can see we were in the fair value gap, so we could have gone bearish, but obviously the 4 hour and then also the 1 hour, after breaking structure to upside, an hour into market open, I was pretty sure we were going bullish, and GJ we were already bullish. So because we were already bullish on both pairs on GJ, I was looking to take a trade on there. And after marking out New York, Asia and London session and their lows and highs, we can see that we have these lows here on GJ. We came down and we nearly tapped them during pre-market, but we didn't, and we didn't hit anything really. There was no fair value gap, or there was this fair value gap that got filled, you could say. Could have taken a trade off of that, but I honestly didn't see that. I'm only seeing that now. But yeah, not really much to go off. But on AJ, we had these New York lows. We swept past Asia lows, so I just disregarded them, and then tapped into these lows here, and then market open. Oh my days. Market open, we're getting big up moves. You can see on GJ, definitely we were just moving up a lot during market open. And then here we had like a bit of a down move, which was good to then move back up. And then all of these blue lines I marked out here are all fair value gaps, which after tapping into the lows, breaking structure upside on the 5 minute, that's what I was looking for. I was just waiting for a fair value gap retracement. And it was very annoying because GJ was going up and we already taken out these highs and it's looking like we want to go higher, right? And AJ wasn't giving me a fair value gap retracement, so this was really annoying. And then I was waiting very patiently, and I was even looking on the 1 minute. I'm like, what the hell? Hello? What is going on here? All right, there we go. I don't know what happened there. But yeah, on the 1 minute, we were getting like these fair value gap retraces, and it was so tempting to take trades off of these. But yeah, another one here, fair value gap up move. When you're live in the markets and it's giving you trade setups, but it's not with your plan, it's very tempting. But I stuck through it, and then 5:30, an hour into market open, after knowing the bias the whole hour and just staring at the charts, watching it go from down here, move up, how much pips? 20 pips, and knowing that it's likely going to take out these highs, it was very daunting. And we can see we only just get a little tap into this fair value gap. All of these ones we did not tap into, so we'll just delete these. Oh my days, can we just, thank you. Then once we went into there, it was pretty simple, just going into the 1 minute. We see bang, tap into that, and then purple candle out of it, green candle. And yeah, I had stop loss 4 or how much, but so this was the candle that formed the fair value gap here. This was the last candle, you can see, and then this candle made the gap within this gap, which is the fair value gap. Then this candle was the last candle. So underneath this candle, I had stop loss 2 pips below there, and it was also protected by this fair value gap. There we can see price could have came down a bit lower and retraced off of there, which was good. What am I doing? And yeah, it was a pretty perfect trade. We didn't go into drawdown at all, and we came up, and at like 7 o'clock, 7:30, 2 hours into the trade, all take profits got hit. Nice 2.5 risk reward, very nice. When I took the trade, I thought I was aiming too high, especially after seeing this consolidation bit, but yeah, after TP1 got hit, oh yeah, sorry guys, this was take profit 1 at the bottom of these lows here, take profit 2 at the top of Asia's highs, and then take profit 3 was over here. You can see these quite significant highs up here on the 30-minute and also on the hourly there. And yeah, very nice trade. I only made $4 on the actual account, but I made like $80 on the funded, which was very good because last week I had like 3 losses and I lost about $90. So with this one trade, I made back almost all of those losses. So very happy with this, and I think it was very worth it just staring at the charts for an hour, even knowing that it was going to go up, but waiting for a retracement, because you always got to think that you could take a trade off of this 1 minute gap right here, long it, and it'll go up, but also on the 5 minute, it could just come down and want to retrace into this fair value gap here and then go up. And then your stop loss is going to be like here, getting stopped out. So yeah, that was basically it. GJ is ripping as well. So if I had taken it off of the fair value gap on the 30-minute here, could have bang, fair value gap, bang, green candle, 2 pips below the gap or below the candle that formed it. Pardon me. There we go. Bang. Smashed it. I'm really trying to aim for like 1 to 4s. So like I was targeting a bit higher. Like I'm trying to maximize my profits, and it's been working, because while I'm back testing, I just put out 1 to 4 in it. Usually hits, but obviously there's got to be something to target. So yeah, I'm not just gonna chuck my take profit anywhere. But yeah, this was a good trade, and hope you guys learned something. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below, comment down videos you guys want to see, and see you in the next one.